Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well. We're going to carry on with the car stereo. So you saw the front door go in, and then we're going to start working on the back tray here. As you've seen, some of the bits and pieces come out. I've been umming and ahhing about taking the seatbelt clips out purely because I can't get to the bolts on the other side anymore at the moment. I'd have to take stuff apart. And I'm kind of keen to make sure that stays sealed underneath. But looking at it, I was thinking of leaving them in, but the more and more I look at it, the way I want to build this subwoofer box, I probably need to take it out. So we'll look into that. I'm going to measure up a few more bits up the front here that so I can start cutting the wood I need for that. And then we'll get to the point of hopefully putting the lid on it. Still haven't quite decided how the amplifiers are going to work yet, e.g. where they're going to go. Yeah, that's going to be an interesting challenge. We'll build up and we'll see how we go from there. But anyway, I'm going to jump into this because I've been wasting too much time recently and need to get on, pull my finger out. Okay guys, so we have done a bit more carpentry work. What have we got to? So we've got the basic structure in place. It's not completely fixed in yet. Obviously it's all attached to each other and it'll use part of the car to hold itself in place, but with these being cupboard spaces, stuff to store stuff, I've got to work out exactly how we'll finish that off and have the opening piece. This is a decent size obviously, but I am quite keen to do the battery mod at some point, so that'll be lift the battery up and basically seal off the bottom so we can do something different down there. But anyway, there's good amount of space in there now. Probably won't still have this battery. I don't think we'll be able to sit up unless we do a smaller tray in the bottom, but we'll have a look at that. Nice cubby there. We'll line it. I'll probably put a little internal piece in here. The top will come across. We'll put a little internal piece so that when we cut out the actual door, it's got something to sit on. Right, that's enough of that. It's now time for lunch. Okay guys, so this is a bit of a short video today. Well, today. I'm filming this a little bit late. It's funny saying that. Anyway, very quick one. So we've been working on the back. We've got most of the structure in. I've also cut the back piece. I've cut it as one. I'm not completely happy with the shape of it. I think I've cut this a little bit too steep and probably in the wrong place, but I wanted to see what it looked like and whether it would be possible to get it in as one, but I don't think so. So I don't want to cut it down through the middle this way, so I'm going to think about how we could probably possibly cut it across here. I need to cut it anyway to make the doors in here, so it's probably a good place to cut it. So we'll probably cut it across this line. I'll just have to put a bit of extra wood in the middle here, thicken that up so it's got something to sit on where the joint is, and then hopefully this bit will go in no problem. So anyway, nice quick one. Thanks for watching. Stereo build's coming on very, very slowly. I guess been a really, really busy week, but again, I should have, what have I got? I've got part 3 almost ready to go as well, so that'll be out pretty quickly. And also I've got a customer, Henry, been doing his brakes, and they didn't most of them, but I just wanted to double triple check something, which we'll be doing first thing in the morning. But anyway, again, thanks for watching. Take care for now. See you in the next one. Bye bye.